I would have been sneezing and smell cute though. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. So I am back with the third part of the Colourpop Bambi collection. So today we're going to be specifically talking about our palette and the flower gloss, as well as the Morning Light body highlighter. We're going to be talking about these cuties all today. But before I jump all the way into them, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. I can't wait to get right on into these, especially this one. I can't wait. So of course I'm gonna start off with the palette like before. This one is a little bit different from the other palettes. It has purple all on her mixed with the green flowers. And flower is supposed to be that cute little skunky. It has a cute little mirror but with a little flower right there. Of course it has these beautiful shades right there, all purple and lovely and rich. Love it. So this does retail again. I believe these are, I want to say $14. I believe these are $14. I just wanted to show you this packaging. It's a little bit different because it does have the purple in it. I feel like the other two palettes stayed within that green and very light beige nude tone, but this one definitely has the purple. And then of course we have the flower lip gloss. This is of course is the Luxe Lippy. It says Bambi on this lip gloss, but then you see the little cute flower, little skunky skunk right there on the side. And also too, these do retail for I believe $9. Talk about this is the Morning Light Pixie Puff Highlighter. And this one retails I believe for $16, and I did pick this one up from Ulta. Use your $3.50 coupons, y'all. So this big old thing, y'all, I love this. I always love anything body highlighters or like a mist or perfume that you know has like the little puffer, you just puff it out, spray like the old fashioned kind. I love the little puffer in here. I love it. So open this guy up, and of course in the front it says Colourpop, and it has a little puff puff. Put your fingers in and just puff away, and then it has the light powder on there. It's a really dainty, cute, just little addition added. If you guys want to get this dark purple smoky look, just stay tuned. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and all the little goodies I got to show you. Let's get back into this palette and let's break down these colors. So with this palette, y'all, of course I love purples, and I'm like, you know, purples, they're all good. They do give you 2 shimmers, 2 mattes. So then they give you a matte, of course, with the pinpoints of shimmer. My favorite shades out of this palette, it is going to be Oh Gosh and Hibernating. So Oh Gosh is that kind of shimmery gold purple situation. And then we have that dark black, dark and berry with that shimmer inside of it, that matte color. It's just really, really soft, but then it's buildable. This one, no build. You just put one little dot and it's full coverage. It is so pigmented. You know how easy it'll do like a smoky eye, but still has shimmer in there? It's just already put in there, right? Perfect. This color is extremely messy. If you guys can't tell from my palette, I have like little black marks all around because of that shadow alone. No other colors in here are doing that, but this dark and black one. And that's okay, because it is like black and dark berry, like it's really, really dark, but it is very powdery, very, very powdery. And I'm okay with it, but I'm kind of like, okay, calm down. And then the Oh Gosh one is just so soft. And then you put this on your lid, it's buildable. It's very, very buildable. Because at first I thought, is this gonna build? Because I don't want to use the light, very white shimmer in there. And it did build, and it is staying very pretty. So I'm not mad at that at all. The white shimmer called So Shy. She is so shy, but literally after the second kind of swatch on the eye, she's pigmented. She is up. She is not too powdery. She is nice and soft and smooth. She does have that shift of like that pearl to purple kind of opal kind of shift. It's really pretty. And then the two mattes. Pretty Flower is the lighter purple, and then Little Stinker is the dark purple. These were very, very pretty. These are very good transitional colors. They are not nothing too big. They're not too powdery. They're not too pigmented. They're not, you know, streaky. They're not too buildable. You can just one swatch, you're pretty much good to go. The average purples, I think that was good to have just the regular traditional ones. If you want a good purple, just matte eye and a little bit of dimension, those two mattes you'll love. So I think those three in the middle are like the soft look, and then these two are the more pigmented. But I have to admit, this one, I don't have a color quite like this. And then that shift, and it's buildable, I don't have one like that. And then that dark carbonating color, I'm just still crazy about her. She's just so pigmented. I can't wait. I want to do a smoky eye with this. This makes me want to do a full smoked out eye, and I want to see how shimmery and matte it can be. Good. I like the different dimensions of pigmented, softly pigmented, soft and buildable, and then pigmented but still soft, and then this one's just straight pigmented. I like the different levels of the different shadows. I do like that. And I think if you love purples, and if you like a smoky eye purple like this, you'll definitely love it. The purple's so cute. Next, we're gonna talk about is the Bambi gloss. So like the other glosses before, this has the same consistency. It's not sticky at all. It's a little more creamy and a little bit that glossy feel to it. It's not a high shine in my opinion, because you can see it on my lips, but it's nothing too crazy. This is a sheer cool lavender with pink and blue shimmering pinpoints. Cute. To me, on my lips, is just very, very sheer cool lavender. So I do get the blue pinpoints of shimmer in my lip, and then the sheer cool lavender. The pink shimmer, I don't see any pink shimmer on my lips, but I get the blue shimmer and the pinpoints, and I do get the sheer cool lavender look. So I guess the pink is just absorbing with the cool lavender overall color. I think this one out of the other ones, this is more complimentary to my lips, because it is so sheer, but it still has that lavender that I love. And then the blue in it is very different. So I think this one is the most fun color out of the whole batch. And again, they all smell like orange creamsicle. So that's always a plus. And last but not least, we're going to get into this Morning Light Pixie Puff Highlighter. Putting it on, I realized this is a soft, buildable kind of body shimmer highlighter, what you want to call it. I like that it is soft. It's not too thick. And it's summertime already for us out here. So I cannot wait to put this on my legs, nice and waxed and shaved. This is soft and subtle. It's very buildable. I thought it was going to be like a little bit like, woo. And a little bit comes out of the holes. Like right now, this is still a little bit. Once you put it on, you can dab it on, but I prefer to smear it on now, just to wipe it against the arm. It's very, very pretty. This is a warm gold with multi-dimensional sparkle. So that's why I love it on my complexion, because I have the big body highlighter that's kind of, it's like a super shot highlighter, yeah. And I have it in warm gold, bronze, gold. I got in all of those more bronzy, browner shades. And this is one of them. So I'm very excited that I did actually pick this up now. No, it doesn't have a smell. I'm not gonna lie, I wish this kind of smelled a little bit like magnolia. I thought that'd be very pretty if it did. Or at least the flowers Bambi is smelling in the movie. I don't know, you know, sunflowers, or I don't know if she's smelling lilies. I don't know. But that'd be really cute if it smelled kind of like the flower. That would have been really cute, Colourpop. She's definitely going on top of my vanity. So guys, overall, the whole collection, in my opinion, was cute, adorable. I think it was done pretty well from the items that I did get from the collection. Again, they do have it at Ulta right now, guys. So if you want to snag up everything, you can, because I went there just the other day and everything was just in stock sitting there. So if you want to grab it, go right ahead. So overall, I believe the Bambi palette was the top, Flower, and then Thumper. And then that gloss, the Flower gloss, is the best out of all the rest of the glosses. And then the Pixie Puff, she's just the best by herself anyway. Those Luxe kind of glosses, they're okay. I like their old glosses, like in the skinnier tubes. Those are bomb, but these okay. The formula is just different. That's all it is. So guys, again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me, out of all three of these, what is your favorite? Is it Thumper, Bambi, or Flower? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.